It's 2026. 2 years ago, we were worried I would take every job from truck driving to heart surgery. Today, the reality is much weirder. We've seen entire departments vanish overnight, but we've also seen new job titles appear that didn't exist when you started this video. So the trillion-dollar question remains, is AI a job killer or a job filler? According to the latest 2026 data, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's a yes, but only if you change. Let's look at the numbers. Let's talk raw data. The World Economic Forum recently projected that by 2030 AI will displace about 92 million jobs globally. That sounds terrifying. And this is a big but, they also project the creation of 170 million new roles. That is a net gain of 78 million jobs. So why does it feel like everyone is getting laid off? Because displacement happens fast, while creation happens slowly. In 2026, we are in what economists call the churn. We are losing routine roles, data entry, basic copy editing, and entry-level legal research. These are being replaced by augmented roles. You aren't being replaced by an AI. You're being replaced by a person who knows how to use AI better than you. Not all jobs are created equal in 2026. The red zone. If your job involves predictable patterns, you're at risk. Middle management, basic accounting, and customer service have seen a 30% contraction this year alone. The green zone. 1. The skilled trades. You can prompt engineer a burst pipe. Plumbers, electricians, and heavy techs are seeing record wage growth. 2. The human industries. Healthcare and education. AI can diagnose a disease, but it can't provide the empathy a patient needs during recovery. 3. The new AI economy. We're seeing massive hiring for AI ethics officers, prompt architects, and human-in-the-loop validators. These didn't exist 5 years ago. Here is the most important stat for your career. As of early 2026, jobs requiring AI literacy are paying a 56% premium over those that don't. Companies aren't just looking for AI experts. They want a marketing manager who uses AI to run 1,000 A/B tests in an hour, or a lawyer who uses AI to scan 50,000 documents in seconds. The International Labor Organization notes that 1 in 4 jobs is now AI exposed. That doesn't mean those jobs are going away. It means the way you do them is changing forever. Yes, but it won't create the same jobs it destroys. The winners in 2026 aren't the ones trying to beat the machine. They're the ones steering it. If you want to stay relevant, focus on what AI sucks at: critical thinking, complex empathy, and physical dexterity. If you're ready to pivot, check out the Google AI Essentials course or the IBM Skills Build to start upskilling today. What do you think? Has AI changed your workplace yet? Drop a comment below. I'm reading all of them. And no, I'm not using an AI to do it. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more updates on the future of work. I'll see you in the next one.